Question 12. Well, I think this is one of the easiest questions on the paper. So, if it's a quadratic with a positive x squared, remember your graph is going to be a smiley face, which is symmetrical. So we're looking for some symmetry amongst these y values. Well, we've got no symmetry to start with the 6, 2 and 12, so we've got to do a bit of work. Now, I'd always start off by working out 0, 1 first, really. They're the easiest ones. So let's consider x being 0. So we're going to substitute in here and see what we get for our y value. So 0 squared is 0. Take away 3 lots of 0, that's still 0. Add on the 2 and we get 2. So when x is 0, y is 2. So at this point we've established some symmetry. That 2 marries up with that 2. So just imagine like ripple lines coming out on a pond. So that 2 ripples round to that 2, and therefore that 6 is going to tie in with this value here, which is a 6. Had we had another value over here, well, that would have been a 12. So we can work out that pink 6 without doing any work, just by spotting the pattern. So these two values here, well, we're going to need to work out one of them, and then by symmetry the other will be the same. So when x is 1, we substitute 1 into this. 1 squared, take away 3 lots of 1, add 2, which gives us 0. So when x is 1, y is 0. And as I said, by symmetry that will also be 0. So we now plot these points, minus 1, 6, 0, 2, 1, 0, 2, 0, and so on, giving us this positive parabola, or smiley face. Now be careful, don't give this a flat base. It is not a vase, so you must have it being curvy there. Now for part C, we've got to find estimates for when it is equal to 4. So draw a line along it equaling 4, and note it says solutions. So we've got to take both points where it equals 4, so we drop down a line here, we drop that down a line here, and we get about minus 0.6 and 3.6. Answers there or thereabout will do, as it is an estimate.